Hey guys, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to take data from ABAQUS and plot it in Matlab and also overlay it with an analytical solution. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So you should already have your tests and everything running in ABAQUS. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go here to Job, and then we're going to go to Job Manager, and we're going to go to our results. You should, this is basically just everything that you've already done. You're going to go here to XY Data, ODB Field Output. Here I already have it selected, but you're going to change this here to unique nodal. And you're going to only select the vertical displacement. So next we're going to pick our nodes, and what we're going to use are these nodes here in the middle. So I'm going to select one by one. There's a better way to do this, but I'm not sure how to do it. There you go. So next what we're going to do here is we're going to go and we're going to click plot, and it's going to show us all of our individual nodes and their vertical displacement. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go here to report XY. We go to setup and we change the number of significant digits to 9, and we change the name of this to something like this, and here we would click OK and it would save. I already have this saved in mine, so I don't have to click OK. So you can see I have results 1 right here. So next what we're going to do is we're going to go to Matlab. Okay, here we are. We're going to go here to new script. See, the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to copy and paste our data. Okay, so now that we have our results edited or copied and pasted here, I'm going to go ahead and just go through each line and start. So here we're working with two different sets of data. So instead of X, I'm going to put this as XX, and this is going to be for our set of data from ABAQUS. So here we have all of our parameters set for that first line in our graph, which is going to be the ABAQUS line. So now I'm going to start to define the second line, which is going to be the analytical solution. So these are going to be the variables which we're defining. So now that I've defined all of the variables, I'm putting in the actual function. Here I'm setting our parameters for our legend for our graph. And now what I'm doing is setting the root mean square deviation, and I'm going to put it at the top of our graph. See, that should be everything. So let's see if we can run it. And it looks like we have an error. So let me see if I can find. Okay, so I was able to figure out my error. My error was I forgot to put a period here. Now, everything else seemed to be correct. So when I press run now, we have our 2 lines, which is exactly what we wanted, with our legend here and our root mean square deviation. And that, guys, is how you plot. And that, guys, is how you plot ABAQUS data with an analytical solution in Matlab.